In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off chat history in ChatGPT. We'll walk through the exact settings you need, explain what they do, and share a few tips so you know you've made the change correctly. This is helpful if you want more control over your privacy or simply prefer not to keep a record of new conversations. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for ChatGPT. You can type the name into your search bar and look for the official OpenAI ChatGPT site. Make sure you're on the legitimate page before signing in. A quick way to confirm is to check that the address bar shows the official domain and your browser indicates a secure connection. Click through to the correct site and sign in using your usual method. You might use a password, a single sign-on provider, or another sign-in option. If you're prompted for a verification code, complete that step and you'll land on the main ChatGPT screen. Once you're in, locate your profile area. Depending on your version, this may appear as your name or a profile icon. It's typically found at the bottom left of the screen on desktop, but on some layouts or devices it can be in the top right. Click it to open the account menu. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens a window where you can control how ChatGPT behaves for your account. Look for a section labeled Data Controls. If you don't see it right away, check any tabs or categories along the side of the settings window until you find Data Controls. Inside Data Controls, find the option labeled Improve the Model for Everyone. Toggle this off. Turning this off opts your account out of allowing new chats to be used to train AI models. In many versions, this control is grouped with chat history preferences, so switching it off also stops new conversations from being saved to your history. If your interface looks a little different, focus on the training and history wording you see there. The goal is to prevent saving and training for future chats. Once the toggle is off, your change applies going forward. It won't retroactively change past conversations, but it will affect new ones from now on. You can come back to this setting at any time to review or re-enable it if your needs change, and the preference follows your account across devices. That's it. You searched for ChatGPT, signed in, opened your profile menu, went to Settings, navigated to Data Controls, and turned off Improve the Model for Everyone to stop saving new chats and prevent training on your conversations. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you take control of your privacy.